right now the rain is on full pressure and I am under the umbrella. This is my native place where I got my birth. This one lake of the sugar cane, and the rain has been started once again. And right now the rain is on full pressure and I am under the umbrella. Yeah, you can see this is the place. This is my hometown where I got birth. This is in my village. Oh, I'm enjoying under the umbrella. And let me show you. Wow. Oh my god. The rain rotates full pressure. So it was all about today's video. For more videos, please subscribe to Pakistan Pets YouTube channel and click on bell icon so that you will receive all the notifications regarding my every upcoming video. And this is my first video. This is the beauty of the Pakistan village. Goodbye. Take care.